right, I have not done an unboxing in a little while, and I'm excited to share this with you and to look at it for the very first time here on camera. I purposely didn't open the box because I wanted to do this alongside with you. Hi, my name is Patricia Regier with Regier Education Incorporated. All right, so this is going to be a potential game changer for hybrid meetings. And when I say hybrid, I'm talking about the blended audiences where you have a group of people together in the same room, and you also might have some people joining the meeting from online. And I've been part of a lot of those kinds of meetings and learning events, and they all go a little bit differently, partly depending on the tech, the setup, but also partly depending on the expectations and how something is intentionally set up for the experience for both groups to be able to have equal voice. So there's so much more. I'll link videos and blogs. I've talked about this, and I will definitely be talking about this more in the future. But this piece of equipment will help a great deal. And I'm really excited to use it. I've researched it, connected with other colleagues who have used it. And I think especially for particular contexts where you might be in a room that's not all set up with technology, where you have cameras everywhere. You may not have a full tech team too that's taking care of each audience. There's a lot to consider with blended audiences, but this is called, it's from Owl Labs, and I will share more about it. I'll give you some specs and things in the blog that I'll link to, but let's take a look here. Okay. All right, so first of all, it comes in this box from Owl Labs, and it's the newest option. Make sure I'm opening it up. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is not a sponsored or I don't even know if they have an affiliate link, but video, but this is just something that for the benefit of my clients too, when they hire me to either help them design their learning experience and also help them produce the learning experience, if it's in person or online. This will be something then, it is quite an investment. When clients work with me, it can be part of my kit that comes, it's part of the package when I come on site and to help with that. So it looks like, let's see what is in this. Okay, so there's a setup guide. I'll have to take a look at that. Let's take a look here. So it comes with some different information. So there's a, I'll share that when I'm looking at the actual product. There is some place in card holder, interesting. Some setup as well. So I will definitely, and they do have in English and French here in Canada. And there's some safety warranty information that I'll have to look at as well. Connect your devices to cover a larger room. I'll explain more what this is too and what it all does, even a sticker. Okay. And let's just see here. So another box, and it looks like it has the different connectors. Oh, this is cool. Oh, so with the card holder, this is cool. It comes with a little thing. So I think it helps. Maybe my assumption is to help people connect. So that's very cool. And some different, these, and also another power option. Let's That's fantastic. And the actual device. Oh boy. Wow. Okay. So let's take it out of the packaging. All right. I'll leave the plastic on there for now. Beautiful. So there's a camera on top. So essentially, when there is a camera looking at the whole room, you just get the table. But this would be in the middle of the table. So instead of each person in the room having their own device with their own cameras, which is one way you can do it, then you really run into sound issues. So ideally, you want everyone in the room, even if they're on a computer for reviewing documents or whatnot, or their devices, you want all of their mics off, not connected to, for example, the Zoom meeting, because this does work with a variety of platforms. And this would be the mic for everybody and the camera. So it would move around to look at which person is talking, and they would become highlighted in the grand scheme of things with all the squares. But then when people are at home or in their offices, and they are virtual, they get a square gallery view tile with their face, but they're also going to see whoever's talking instead of just this room. And sometimes it's hard to hear everybody. So this will give everyone equal opportunity. And then in the room, you would have projected onto the screen everyone that is coming in virtually with their own individual computers, devices, or cameras as well. So this is pretty cool. Owl Labs. There's some buttons here. There's a mute button. But probably a lot of times you would have someone who is taking care of the technology, and they would be muting people or taking care of some of that. So that doesn't become the focus and distraction. So I am going to definitely investigate more about this, test this out in a room with people. I can give more information. If you'd like me to share a tutorial about this video, share a review about the Owl microphone camera situation equipment, let me know in the comments below, and I will set that up in the future where I will then take a camera out on the road, won't be in my home office here, and be able to share more about pros and cons, what to consider, what are some things to set yourself up for success. So thanks for joining me with this unboxing as I see my Owl, brand new Owl product for the first time, and it's called the Owl 3. So thanks again. My name is Patricia Regier. Until next time, I hope that you're able to facilitate engaging learning experiences so that you can turn an audience into participants and also reach the variety in your audience. Thanks for checking this out. And if you are liking these videos that I provide, giving me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe if you'd like to be notified when other videos are coming up, and there's some exciting videos I have in store for you.